Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh my gosh, it's too loud. The microphone is a little bit too loud. What if I turn it down a little bit? Hold on. How about now? Now it should be better. All right. My microphone was a little bit too loud. I did see that. No worries. All right. Now, because yesterday I changed some settings on the microphone, and it was like, whoa, what is going on? And now it should be all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Shenanigan, hello there. Warren, Pumpy Pump, hello. Ahmed, good to see you. Gorov, hello there. HD Photo, good morning, good to see you. Mirovsky, hello. Oh yeah, look at that. We are slowly pushing higher. I'm good, all right, all right. So, slow push here. And yeah. Let's see how far we can get. There is a 1 hour supply zone higher, which is great. We love these zones finally. Actually, no, that's not a zone. My mistake. That's not a zone. I thought I see a zone somewhere. Maybe it's on CFDs. Let me check it. No. Not there. Then I don't know where. Not here. Oh yeah, up there at 345. That's actually okay, that's actually a valid one. 345. Made a mistake there. Yeah, right there. Now that's a zone. That is a zone. $349, to be honest. Pound is going higher. Anyway, I'm here. My charts were upside down a little bit. Even in long position, but you're in long position. All right. Well, it could go higher. I mean, I know it's like 300 points higher, but once we can break these highs, and I think this should be Asia high right there. This one. So 25,169. It could be the case. On the lower time frames, I see no target. That's good. Sonny Varius, hello. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Thank you. 200 is zone. 200. I know it seems like it, but let me check it. On the 15-minute, there is no zone on the 200. I mean, not that I would say it's a zone because there is no liquidity here. So in order to claim this as a zone, these two bullish candles, I know what you mean, but there's no liquidity here. It has been, so there's no fair value. This is not a fair value gap. So it's not, it looks almost like a zone because technically it's shifted structure and it looks like that, by the way. But the only thing that it's missing is that it's not picking up liquidity. So the next available zone, I think, is higher at 349, but it still looks good, by the way. So I give you that. It almost looked like it, almost at 196-ish. So previous 4-hour high, let's see. There's a smaller one. Oh no, well, that was one here. Anyway, I don't see another one. Gabor, good morning, you're a Geldvier. Hello, you're thinking of long. Good morning, Tech for Expert. What's up? Nice, I'm glad. Steven was killing it, right? Awesome. That is amazing. Targeting 161. Nice. Marco, good morning. Daniel, hello. Let's all smash the like button, everybody. Any entries for... I don't have any entries. That's the thing. So I would be looking for longs once we close above the Asia high. Then I would be looking for possible long positions. And by the way, for some of... okay, nothing. Never mind. I thought that that's a zone on the 3 minute, but that's not. So my plan would be... Let me get this off here. My plan would be to look for long positions above the Asia high. But I need up close candles in order to do that. In order to do that, I need up close candles. So we shall see if it's going to happen or not. Do we have some news? No news for now, right? Nothing. Hello, Emron. What's up? Yes. I haven't really following ES. There's a zone here. There's a buy side real close on ES that I see here. Kind of happening. Which is at 69.21.5. I think it will break it eventually. 69.21 looks bullish. It can also go lower, sweep some more liquidity, but 69.21 looks like a nice level that can be taken. And this one here, well, we also have one from yesterday's open, right? Yeah. Yesterday's market open also. Gold. Nothing on the left. So, okay. There is a nice demand zone down there on the 5 minute. This is absolutely looks great on the 5 minute. Good for short-term selling. On the higher time frame, okay, there is another one up there. Wow, okay, I like that. That's a 15-minute supply zone up there on gold. Right up there. Kind of feels like it wants to push it back. Yesterday, it tried to go back to the zone. Like, look at that. All day it was dropping. Then in the PM session, tried to recover. Almost managed to go up there to the zone to retest it. It didn't. We sweat some liquidity down here during the Asia session, which is amazing. Swept some lows, and now seems like gold might try to recover and go back up there to that supply zone. So just an idea. Along the way, there is nothing here. Well, there is, okay, this is a supply zone. We're currently in a supply zone, so there's potential buy side liquidity. Okay, buy side liquidity at here, and this is the 5-minute now. It's 49.62.8. Now, once we close above 49.62.8 with up close candles, we could be looking for a continuation to that level, in my opinion. But I guess we shall see, right? We shall see. We shall see. For now, I'm going to be focusing on NQ a little bit more, but I'll be watching gold as well on my left here. I don't think that is going. Yeah, it could not. And again, we're missing some volume, obviously, both on NQ and gold. Asia session was great. Look at the moves here. I think Asia session was absolutely doing great. I believe gold to finish up the move, it should be pushing up to that 49.62. Now, this is just a small idea. Obviously, we're not sure if it's gonna go or not. But it's very close, to be honest. Very, very close. At least to take out this level here completely. Could be dropping down easily from here, by the way. Yeah, but nothing else. Camille, hello there. Doing good at the debate. Yeah, going for that free account. You know, going for the account. I'm gonna win it from Terry. I'll do my best. Yeah, we're having fun. We're having fun there. I'm kind of trying to decide if NQ might want to go a little bit higher here. I'm not really sure if it will or not. But I don't know. Coffee time. All right. So anyway, I'm kind of waiting on NQ if it wants to break this high here at 93. Kind of feels like that it might want to, but you know, not so sure. Let me see some levels. Dollar Swiss went lower. Pound is also playing some tricky games there. It's kind of hard to decide. Jimmy Sang, hello. 15-minute inversion. I mean, which inversion? We could invert this gap or we can invert this gap. So both of these bearish gaps could be. This one is actually inverted already. So this one inverted already, which is a good sign that we could be pushing to 94. That's what I'm trying to decide myself as well. Like, are we going to push it to 94? Is it going to happen or not? It's really a tough question. Right now, it seems like it might gonna happen. I mean, to me, it kind of seems like that it might want to go there. So that's what I'm waiting for. If NQ tries to take that level or not. This is not an Asia high. Asia high would be up there around, yeah. So that 169. And that's why I'm a little bit curious. Like, is it going to take that high or not? You know? Would be great to know. Hey, you're not late. 2-cent trading. What's up? So this is what I'm referring here. That level as potential buy side. Because if we close higher than that 94, it could be a potential continuation to Asia high. And that is something I'd like to know. So I guess we'll see. We still have 20 minutes until the open. And anything can happen until then. It could just drop easily. See? Lots of consolidation here. So we gotta wait. Okay. And otherwise, gold is now pulling back down a little bit there. So a bit of a pullback, nothing fancy. And NQ is kind of holding this area. Best to wait, I think. Let's wait this one out. Pine Tree Trader. Oh my gosh, hello. Hey. Hello there, welcome. The man, the legend is here. I'm just kind of waiting. Hey, thank you. Good luck to everybody. Yeah, if I'm on, you must be. I mean, you need some extra sleep, man. If you're still on them, then you need some extra sleep. I'm just kind of waiting here, waiting for this market to show something. It's kind of tough, to be honest. The London sessions nowadays, it's all about just waiting. Most likely waiting for the London Open, but yeah, not much is going on. Pine is everywhere, right? Yeah, we're just kind of waiting, hoping that something will happen. But so far, these candles are kind of slow. Not much is going on. It could be retesting the VWAP and then maybe this inversion gap. Who knows? So best to wait this one out, and you know, we'll see. I'd like to think that we can go for Asia highs on NQ. If not, then who knows? Also, gold is kind of look like, you know, as I said, it tried to go for these levels. I mean, back to the zone, but it couldn't. And now we're back, but you know, who knows? Who knows? Hey, elevated life, welcome. Not much. It's just typical London session. Typically the waiting. I think it's a cool name, Pine Tree Trader. I love it. Current Fishbowl, hello. We all need pine. Let's see. Yeah, so it seems like to me that gold might want to break that level up there. I don't know. Along with NQ maybe. What a slow start here, right? All right, the market maker. All right, market makers made the call. They're saying, all right, you guys can have your volume. So it seems like that's what's going to happen here. We're going to have some extra volume here, which is kind of cool, right? Hopefully it will happen. NQ is kind of struggling. I don't know if Apex change any payout rule. No safety net for first 3 payout. I don't know about that. That just happened yesterday. Oh, by the way, the sale is yeah, so the thing is, let me check. I think the sale has ended, so my mistake. I did not update Streamlabs. Let me just check it again. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I have to update the sales pay, the Streamlabs, but I think it ended in the evening. I haven't updated it, sorry. I think Apex is now 50% off. Okay, and I need to check on Bulenox as well. So I don't know if they changed anything. That's a good question. By the way, gold is trying to look for that buy side liquidity at 49.62. All right, market makers. So I'm still kind of waiting for NQ to take out that 94, by the way. Yeah, 149. Yeah, those coupons are expired, unfortunately. So Bulenox is back to 45% for now. I think the most underrated, if you ask me, which one is the most underrated prop firm, I would say Bulenox. Bulenox is the most underrated prop firm, I think. I can definitely say that. Okay, NQ finally can go for that 94. Turn up the volume. Really? I mean, I was talking on the phone, but yeah, is the microphone sounds bad? Is it too low? Because yesterday I messed up my microphone settings. I gotta make sure. I know yesterday I messed up the microphone. Let's hear it. Yesterday I messed up the microphone. Okay, now it's better. The market makers are watching the stream. That's a scientific fact. They are always watching. Everything sounds good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Levy, hello there. Look at this. I kind of feel like I should have jumped into a scalp here, you know, to go for that 94. I couldn't. I had no entry, by the way. No displacement. I mean, there was a small fair value gap that I could have used. So let's just, you know, take this one as an example. And by the way, can you guys please smash the like button? I want to check. I haven't checked it yet how we're doing, but so let's look at this example. This is just a small idea, but there was a liquidity sweep there. There was a liquidity sweep. I mean, a pullback into a fair value gap to go higher, and there was a market structure. I would not say shift, but possible continuation right here. So this here was a clear indication that, hey, we can go higher finally. And this is, by the way, if you guys remember or you guys were studying some ICT, this is the 2022 ICT entry model all over again. You guys can find it everywhere. 1 hour chart, 5 minute, day and night. It does not have to be a reversal. It could be a continuation as a momentum, I think. My best cops are in the US, yeah. I mean, I don't want to brag about it. I never used to do that, but like, as I look back to the New York Open and to the New York AM session, like, I would say, obviously not all, but most of my levels that we call out at MyFundedTV are usually getting hit, like not immediately, but it seems like we're having a good streak on those levels because, yeah. So that's kind of cool. Having some good levels called out at MyFundedTV. Yeah, it's different momentum. London is tricky. Like look at this London here. It's playing a mind game with everybody. And also look at gold. Almost looked like it want to go up there. Finally, you know, take out that 49.62, but it's not doing it. So kind of crazy to think about it. But yeah. But we used to have some good levels. Yes. Ah, man. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I saw some good levels. Maybe euro dollar. Should I go for a euro dollar long? Anyway, I'm still kind of managing that FTMO account, and that's why I'm watching currencies as well. If correct about direction, it will probably hit fast. Yes, you just have to be on side. If you're on side, then yes, you have a high chance for hitting those levels. That's true. Now let me check the numbers. Let me check the numbers. We are having 155 viewers and 29 likes. Can we go above 50 likes, everybody? Can we please go above 50 likes? 30 likes now. Amazing. Yesterday we managed to go over 100. So with the 50% rule, we should be able to get above 70. But can we get to 50, everyone? I would so appreciate that if we could. Thank you, thank you. Smash it. Oh, sorry. Let me go back to NQ here. So we're technically waiting for that 94 to show us something. I'm going to tell you what the problem is here. The problem is there is no proper demand zone on the downside. Okay. So let's just write down the game plan. I wonder why Nikkei not popular for the people, one of the best indices. I don't know why. That's a good question. That's a really good question. I haven't really thought about it too much. Oh, 44 likes. Let's go, everybody. We are at 44. I'm going to tell you guys a secret, okay? In my time, it's 8:35 right now in the morning. And I I usually get up around 6 a.m. in the morning, so I try to get up at least until 6 a.m. Sometimes 5:30. That's when I get up. Then I have time to go to the store to buy some breakfast for the morning, maybe, or sometimes I go to the gym for 6 a.m. Not nowadays, since Christmas I'm still upgrading. But anyway, usually I get up like almost every day around 6 a.m. This morning I got up at 7:38. So 7:38, 22 minutes before I started the stream. So I woke up and I was like, oh my gosh. I quickly had to fix up myself. Oh my god, oh my god. So I started the stream. So I before the stream start, my hair is still all around the place. I'm still kind of sleepy. I'm still slow. I'm still dyslexic. I can't read. I can't, but I fell out from the routine. Not every morning, but the thing I like about going 6 a.m. at to the gym, because there's not too many people there. There are people, by the way, at 6 a.m. in the gym. There are quite a few, but at 6 a.m. it's like it's so like no rush, calm. Everything is calm and quiet, and I mean no quiet because there's always music, but I put in my earplugs and just listen to my own music. But it's like so good. 6 a.m. It's like, and I finish after around. I mean, I try to be there until 6, so I can be on the treadmill like 6:05 at least. And then I do some weightlifting as well and everything. So I finish up after like a few minutes after 7. So I can take a quick shower. It's very close. It's a couple of blocks from my building. So I can take a quick shower and I'm back right on time for the stream. Cheese balls. Hello, cheesy balls. What's up? 9:36. Awesome. You're in the future. Well, it's still, yeah, 8:38 at my time. And I'm still kind of waiting, like, what the hell is this gonna do here? What is NQ trying to pull off? But let's just wait just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I think it will the true day open, it will go long. Okay, so you're saying, sorry, oh, I forgot to put the midnight level here. I knew I forgot something. So here's midnight level, true day open, down to like 12, and then, well, it can happen. It can easily happen, obviously. We shall see. Still have 19 minutes. So I'm also curious, like, we have French industrial production numbers coming in, pound construction PMI numbers at in about 49 minutes, if I see it correctly. They're expecting better numbers on the pound, by the way, here. Okay. Retail sales a little bit later. Bond auction on the euro. We have pound news today. All right, that's going to be interesting. So we're still just waiting. And we have 60 likes. Thank you so much. And 164 viewers, which means we only need 20 more. 20 more is what we need. Thank you. Gold is, look at this, almost like, oh, let's go above that. This is why I'm saying we should wait. If you have a level that you're looking for to break, and this was the perfect example. Oh my God, I think it wants to go down there. Hold on, hold your horses. I think it wants to go down. I need to check this. Okay. 4870.65, 4870.65. Oh my gosh, is it gonna go down there? Could it go, because it shifted on the 5 minute? That's the thing. It has shifted on the 5 minute. Look at this. Here's the shift. It kind of tells me that it fails to go above that level, above that 49.62. What do you guys think? If it's going to reprice this candle and we close below the weave up, shifted the structure here, kind of makes it a little bit dangerous for the longs. Swept this low, by the way. Okay. Trying to decide what to do with it. Kind of feels like, yeah, so we closed below the weave up on gold. I think the problem is going to be with the risk. If I'm going there, yeah. Should I take a short? Kind of thinking to take a short. It looks like a short position to me on gold. Let's take a short. What? Oh. I tried to put on a short, 1 micro on Apex. It's not letting me put on a short position. It says your maximum order, only on an evaluation account, your maximum order quantity has been met, only with 1 micro. All right. That's kind of strange. Let's see if I can put on a position somewhere else. Okay. I could put on the position at MyFundedFutures. It's kind of weird. It is. Stop loss should be 49.56.6. Thank you, Stock Girl, for joining us. Welcome to the channel. Oh, NQ is not pushing. Apex is restricted. Oh, all right. I didn't know that. They sent out the email. I had so many. When did they send it out? Can't trade, yeah. Disabled metals. Is that temporary or is it permanent? Yeah. To protect the balance. Kind of crazy, right? Anyway, I took a short on gold. And my TP would be, I don't know, somewhere down at 4890.5. What a bummer. What a bummer. Anyway, I took the short. We'll see what happens on gold. Kind of curious. I'm kind of curious. And I'm still kind of waiting for NQ to show us something here. Yeah. Buenos dias. Hello, David. Welcome. Yeah, lots of mixed signals. I agree. Lots of mixed signals. 100%. 10 minutes until London opens, so I guess we'll see what's going to happen. If gold is going to play too much sideways action or starts to push it back up again, maybe I'm going to kill the trade. We'll keep an eye on it. London sessions, honestly, nowadays are a little bit tougher than usual. They really are. I thought they're going to be a little bit easier, but no. Especially when Asia moves relatively good, like in the previous session, then I think London is going to have so many question marks. London's going to move. Let's see. If gold starts to push it up again, and let me check the 1 minute chart for a second here. You know, once we close above that 48.3, I might not gonna be comfortable holding a position. But yeah, a couple of more minutes and we'll see. It's kind of tough. I don't like this gold short anymore, to be honest. All right. I'm not liking it at all. Not the slightest bit. Yeah, you never liked them. Palladium? Try Palladium? I never traded that. I'm not sure if I want to trade something I never tried, but I mean, you got to start somewhere, I know. After a big range day, London, and yeah, yeah, exactly, Bryce. After a day like that, it can happen. Yeah, London soon. 6 more minutes, so we shall see. You lost on shorting gold too much today as well. Oh yeah, it seems like gold is going to be just bullish all the time. I think I made the wrong choice. Let's focus on, oh, look at that. So NQ is now going to push. Look at this, how close it gets to those highs up there. Oh yeah. I think it wants to punch through that 94 level. Maybe not, but I think it will eventually. 5 more minutes. I don't know if I'm liking this this gold trade or not. Okay, NQ pulling back down again. 4 more minutes. And we shall see. Maybe not. So who knows? NQ getting lower. I don't know what's happening with NQ. I think it tried to go to that 94, but now it's just melting down. It's unfortunate. I thought it's going to go, but it's not going. Yeah. Maybe it will try again. Who knows? Still have like 3 minutes to go. So yeah. Gold traders are brave. I'm okay with this gold, so if it goes the other way, it's fine. No problem. I'm actually trying to figure out what NQ is trying to pull off here. Are we going lower, maybe? Or is it trying to break back up higher? 2 more minutes, so we'll find out. But yeah, I'm a little bit scared of gold, by the way. NQ might be ready to fall all the way down. Maybe the safer bet would be to go long on gold. But we'll see. NQ is melting down. All right. Just going lower. Gold is kind of holding the position. And London Open is in about 10-ish seconds. 10 seconds? Yeah. 7 seconds. Here's the London Open. All right. Not much is going on for now. Gold trade is, oh no. Gold trade is so far holding, but who knows for how much, for how long. $9.55. I don't know what to do. Oh, now look at NQ. Okay, now he's trying to push it. That 94 maybe. All right, maybe the gold trade will go through. NQ going up nicely. Could be smashing through that 94. Who knows? Good morning, GoneFX. Hello. Yeah, volatility is kind of not the best. The London Open is crazy, yeah. Gold doesn't really want to drop. Unfortunately. Is it going to take out that high? Oh no, that's not good for me. That is not good for me. What if I move my stop just a little bit above that wick? You know, just to make sure to give enough space for the trade. Who knows? It could still go down. It picked up liquidity from this fair value gap here. Trade Delicious, hello. Need more likes? Let's check it. 1 minute orb. Look at that. Gold is definitely fighting. We can't do it. Let's check the likes. We are having 72 likes and 200 views. Amazing. Thank you so much. And again, well, thank you. There's not much to do right now. It feels like gold is kind of acting up weird as well this morning. For a second, I thought we can smash through that 49.62. And now it's just, I don't know. It's kind of weird. We got this. If this trade does work out, I'm done for the night. Let's go. Well, hopefully. Randall, hey, what's up? NQ can drop? Well, it could, but I think it's going to sweep that 94 level. I think it wants to sweep that 94. It's like very close. Actually, I was thinking to scalp it, you know. It was so close. There you go. Now it's done. I was so tempted to scalp it somewhere from the 80s just for a quick 10 points, and now it's done. Now it did it. $77 likes, everybody. All we need is 23 more to get above 100. Let's do it. 22 now. So the question now is that we managed to get through that 94. Are we gonna go for Asia high or not? I'm gonna watch and wait for this 5-minute candle to close. And you know, we'll see what happens next. Has to get 120 before dumping. Look at that. Wow. Okay. This is interesting. This is very, very interesting. But I like what I see on gold so far. The lack of momentum to push it higher. Okay, it picked up liquidity from this gap. Is it going to turn to the downside? I don't know. Dominic, good to see you back. Yeah. Gold is kind of fighting for its life. Who knows? If the bulls can't step in the next like 20 minutes, I feel like it could be pushed down to that zone. Hopefully. If not, we'll see. But if it takes me out, that's fine too. I'm gonna tell you, I might put my stop back here. I don't really want to lose more than 200 on this trade. I think I might if it hits my full stop, but let's wait for it. Yeah, Apex, it seems like I wanted to do the same thing. Apex disabled metals for now. You can't trade gold or silver. Oh yeah, Dominic, you were mentioned. I said, like, I know a guy, Dominic, he's holding a short position to 180 because we hit the 180 yesterday. And I was like, Dominic, are you here? Yeah. But that short trade turned out nicely. JP Morgan Metals Manipulation 101. Yeah, you're welcome. They could be doing some manipulation there. Yeah. All right, for now, it seems like my trade is done. All right, I'm gonna kill this trade. Closing it. That's it. Closed it. For the better good. I just had to. You know, I had no other choice. I felt like we just might go to like 59.7. But at least going higher, you know, trying to push that. No, not 59, sorry. Why did I say 59? 49, 50, 58.7. I wanted to say anyway. 49.62.8 on gold. 49.62.8 is the level. 59.4 is the high here. is what I wanted to say, 59.4. But yeah, I think I did the right thing. Look at this. What a miserable London morning this is. I mean, all the London sessions are just, not good. I wish I can do 1K profit today. I wish. I want to. Trust me. I do want to. I hope we can. All right. Well, sometimes we're having easier and more difficult days, but the 5-minute closed higher than this buy side here. It's 94. So that's kind of crazy. And gold actually went up there. What is the lesson from this? The lesson is I should listen to my intuition a little bit more. Now, the thing is, I was following a typical entry model. I mean, the classic entry model, I followed it here. I took the trade, but my intuition, I was keep telling this since the start of the stream, since 2 a.m. Like, hey guys, we should be smashing through that swing high to take some liquidity, and boom. And it just took it. Kind of frustrating, to be honest. Not because of the profit or the loss of the, I don't know, 70 or 80 bucks or something. And not because of that, because of the idea that I always kind of seeing the same. I mean, I'm not always seeing, but I'm seeing some levels. And I'm like, okay, it should go there. It should take that level. But like, okay, logic dictates that here's an entry to go short. So why not just take that short? And who the F cares about that, the level, which I was mentioning earlier. And then the market goes against me, takes that level. And then, you know what? We might just go down again. It's like typical Murphy's Law. Mikhail, hello there. You passed? Let's go, Dominic. That's amazing. Nice, nice. Yeah, going long was the play here. This was the play, going long. Blueberry funded. Oh my gosh. Fancy name. Blueberry funded. It's kind of a cute name for a prop firm. Hey, where you work at? I work at Blueberry Funded. Oh, what a cute name. It's Blueberry Funded. Yeah. We all have blueberry syrup at home. But that's cool. Blueberry Funded. I haven't heard of them. Hola Prime. Look into the market maker buy model. All right, Martin. Okay, Hola Prime. I'm gonna write it down. No promises. They pay out with cartons of blueberry too. All right. Oh, really? They're gonna bring Ninja and TradeAway. Okay, that's good. You know, if they got the license, that's actually a very positive thing. We are at 86 likes, everybody. 86. Can we go to 114 more likes, everyone? Just 14 more. Can we hit the 14 more likes? Let's all hit that. No problem with the likes, no problem. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why it changed direction. Anyway, NQ is still kind of grinding higher. We definitely have some structure here. Look at the 1 minute. Asia high is quite close. I'm not going to take the trade to Asia high. Gold technically didn't go above that level on the micro, so 62.8 is still there. Just saying. 62.8 is still in play. But yeah. It's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. And number 70. What does that mean? Oh, with the likes. Sorry. Number 70. 7 more likes. 7 more. All we need is 7 more. Let's go with the likes. Yeah. 7 more we need to go and we're okay. And then we're done. All right. I'm going to make a quick phone call. No, they did not pick up. All right, I'm here. Phone call is done with the market makers. NQ is holding the ground here, not really doing anything. I'm kind of pissed off about the situation on gold. Again, it's not about the profit. It's not about the profit. It's about reading the market on the wrong way. It's very nasty. Very, very nasty session indeed. 97 likes. We need 3 more. Everybody, can we do it? I don't know why I'm getting so angry. I'm getting angry at myself right now, and I should not be, because it's totally normal. I should not be angry at myself because of this. I need to go to the gym. I think it's the perfect time to go to the gym. Is anybody here in the chat? Chat is down. No, I know you guys are here. Nikkei is grinding, yeah. Slowly. Slowly, slowly. Slow grind. I have to go to the gym. 5K, 3.5K. Nice, Mikhail, nice. I need to go to the gym, guys. I just need to. I feel like if I don't go, I'm gonna smash something. The weather is good, by the way. I should go to the gym. I don't know. This is usually never happening. I mean, not never, but like happens very rarely to me that I'm getting so pissed off about one single trade. I don't know why I'm getting pissed off about this gold trade so much. And the more it goes down, this one, the more I'm getting pissed off, because I was in a short trade. It went to my original level that I was anticipating, and now it goes back to the trade that I lost. Gold is pissing me off very, very much right now. Very much. Well, it's 7 degrees Celsius right now where I live. 31 days of rain. Wow. Smash the weights. Not the kind of, yeah, something like that. I'm not satisfied with the price action, to be honest. Guys, I'm not joking. I'm feeling frustrated right now. I feel like I'm gonna do some crazy trade here, because I'm so getting pissed off from this gold. I'm at the point where I will almost start to swear, and I don't like to swear. I'm not that kind of guy, but I feel like I want to swear. And this is just not the right area to be in when you're trading. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't know why I'm pissed off. One single trade should not be derailing me this much. I think I'm just pissed off of the fact that the same situation happens over and over and over in the last. I mean, January was a little bit rough. Only had one payout, and I don't know how much is it going to be for February. And the same exact situation keeps happening over and over with me. this year, January and now February. It keeps happening over and over. I'm taking the proper setup and then it goes to the level I was looking before and then it goes back again. Look at that. I can't. It's just, it's not good. It's not good. It's just not good. I don't want to. I don't want to. If gold drops down, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And I have no trade. I'm flat. I'm completely flat. No trades on. %50 retracement. Yeah, it is. Let's put a fib tool here and let's see what's going on. Okay, there's a swing low there. Depends on which time frame, right? So there's a swing low on the 5-minute. I guess on the 15-minute swing we are at 50%. There's a swing low here. But technically at optimal trade entry level-ish. Down to the 75. Still in this gap. From the high. Which high? Depends on which high. You know, which swing are we looking at? The 5, the 15, the hourly, the 4-hour, the daily, 3-minute, 1-minute, yesterday, today, depending on which swing we're looking at. The hourly. Let's check the hourly. Above the 50%. Yesterday. Oh, yesterday. Okay. Yesterday's high. Oh yeah. Exactly. That's true. That's actually a good observation. I like it very much. Oh man. Gold is going lower. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get pissed off. Is this thing charging? I hope it does. need to charge my phone. Just can't find the plug. Okay, now it's better. I don't know, guys. I think this is gonna be one of those days, and thank you so much. We have 105 likes. I think this is gonna be one of those sessions where I'm just gonna call it here, everybody. I am feeling not good, like not physically, but like mentally a little bit unfocused, and I don't feel like I want to take another trade. This gold trade somehow is still in my mind. I can't think of anything else but just that gold trade, and why this effing market keeps doing the same situation all over. And even if it starts to drop down, I'm afraid I want to jump into a short, and if I jump into another short on gold, it's just going to go back up there. And once that happens, I'm going to do something crazy, and I don't want to do that. So I feel like this is the point where I need to leave the chart. So I need to leave the chart right now before I do something crazy, because I'm so pissed off. So I need to get my mind a little bit relaxed. I'm really, it's a rare occasion if I'm cutting the stream because of this. But I feel like, and I'm flat, I have no positions, but I'm just so pissed off. I need to do something. I need to get away from the chart. I need to get away, because gold, this absolutely drilled me. This one single trade. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, there's still some sales going on. Apex is 50% off, Bulenox is 45, but option 2 accounts too. And Funded Futures Network, buy one get one free promo. MyFundedFutures, Futures, you can use the code to all the discounts you like Rapid account, Flex account, Pro account. They're all having discounts. And what else? Other prop firms are having some great sales. Lucid, check them out. Thank you, everybody. Go for the daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. If we get some more sales, we can get free accounts for a giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm sorry, but I just don't feel like I'm in the right mindset for trading because I'm pissed off. Okay, so God bless you all. Stay safe. Don't force the trades. And I'll see you guys in the early New York session. All right. God bless everybody. Cheers.